everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into NatWest Online Banking. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in NatWest login, and then you can hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying NatWest. You have to allow all cookies, and at the top left you can simply hit login. Now you can either enter your customer number or your card number to continue. You can select either your customer number or your card number from up here, and then if you are not registered for online banking, simply type on sign up here. Scroll down. Here you'll have to tap on the type of account. For now we're going to be selecting personal account, and then you'll have to enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, your date of birth, your postcode, your account details, your debit card details, and then hit continue and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to create your username and password for login. After that, you can simply head back over to the login page and then log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.